Today we're going to walk you through setting up ExitLag for any game. If you've been dealing with lag, high ping, or random disconnections, ExitLag can make a huge difference, and the best part, setting it up is super simple even if you're not tech savvy. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to optimize your connection and enjoy smoother gaming sessions. Now, let's jump into it and get started with the setup process. So step 1, download and install ExitLag. Firstly, just head over to ExitLag's website using the discount link we provided down below in the description or pinned comment, and then go ahead and download the software. The installation is straightforward, just follow the prompts and you'll have it ready to go in no time. Step 2, create an account or login. Once installed, open ExitLag and either log into your account or create one if you're new to the platform. They offer a free trial so you can test it out before committing. Step 3, search for your game. In the ExitLag interface, there's a search bar where you can type in the name of the game you want to optimize. ExitLag supports hundreds of titles, so chances are your game will be on the list. Step 4, select your game and choose a server. Once you find your game, select it. ExitLag will show you a list of servers based on your location. It'll even recommend the best option for the lowest ping. Choose the server that works best for your needs. Step 5, apply the routes. Click on the Apply Routes button. This is where ExitLag works its magic, optimizing your connection and setting up the best path to the game server. Step 6, start your game. That's it. Launch your game as you normally would. ExitLag will now run in the background, ensuring a smoother, more stable connection while you play. Before you leave though, I've got a few bonus tips for getting the best results. Firstly, make sure your internet connection is stable before setting up ExitLag. Also, I'd recommend you test a few different servers to see which one gives you the lowest ping. And also be sure to keep ExitLag updated to ensure compatibility with the latest game versions. Using ExitLag is one of the easiest ways to reduce lag and improve your gaming performance. With just a few simple steps, you can set it up for any game and enjoy smoother gameplay. If you're ready to give it a try, use the discount link in the description or pinned comment to sign up. And if you run into any issues, feel free to ask questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.